Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen. So as you can see, our kitchen counters are not that nice. In this short clip, I'll show you how I'm going to replace the surface or cover it using contact paper. It's very inexpensive and you can just buy it online. So I think it's a good remedy for those who are, don't have enough money to change the tiles or the counters.
So I just wanted to show you how the kitchen actually looked like before we moved in. Besides the stained counters, the wall and the cupboards were actually painted blue. For me, it kinda looked sad and of course old. That's why we decided to change the color. We're actually just renting, but our landlady allowed us to have it painted, and the paint we got turned out to be really nice and bright. Just what we needed to spruce up the area. So I spent around 400 to 500 pesos for the contact paper I bought online, including the shipping fee. This is what it looked like on the shopping app. So it's quite cheap and it's not really that long lasting, but if you're like us and you're just renting this space for a year or so, it's good enough for a couple of years use. Because it actually took me a couple of hours to install the contact paper, my video is on time-lapse. As you can see, all I needed was the contact paper, a cutter, and a piece of cardboard to help smooth out the surface and get rid of those air bubbles. I decided to install it horizontally at first, and then I switched to vertical so that even if the water goes to the corners, it won't seep into the actual counter below. Easier to clean up and dry up. It helped that the back of the contact paper had some sort of grid as a guide. That helped me cut up the paper before attaching it. It was quite a challenge going over the curved edges of the counter, but I managed. And because I started at night, I ended up not finishing it and continuing the next day, and therefore the costume change. The faucet part was the trickiest and I don't think I did the perfect job, but it actually looked good from afar. And so here's the finished output, a very bright countertop that is easy to clean and is such a delight to use.